What's up, guys? It's RCA37 right here. And I'm with my homeboy, Sebastian.
Yo, what's up?
And I'm with my brother, Roman. And this is the stuff you find in our apartment complex. This is animal cruelty right here. And it's just like looking at me like, what is that? An iPhone 7? And I'm like, yeah.
It's a crap iPhone.
It looks like it's like laying eggs. No, it's not. It can't
we moved
fly.
it.
We
Wait,
tried
let's
putting
look
a
back
rock
at the spot where it was.
Right.
See if it actually laid an egg right here. Doesn't seem like it laid an egg.
There's no eggs there.
Wait, was it there or was it over here?
It was
over
It was
I
like
think it was
around
over there,
here.
yeah.
Just watch out because maybe it did that something. No, nothing.
I want to take this little...
Comment down below if you saw any eggs in that grass, bruh.
Look, it is hurt.
Go get a container. A container? Why don't you get it?
Because I want to keep it.
You can't keep it. Bro.
Well, I at least want to help it. We should
Oh,
grab
it
a
just
stick.
like winked at me. It's like, what's up?
No, both eyes are blinking.
No, I saw one side wink.
What does these... Oh, it eats worms. I'm going to give it a worm.
It's not rainy.
I know.
Bruh.
Eat the wood chip. Eat the wood chip.
It's not gonna eat anything, as you can see.
I'm your father.
It
No,
probably
I am.
It's probably pregnant.
I made it. How do you know it's a girl? Its bottom looks ugly.
Oh, look at that.
Well, does it have a pee-pee?
Oh, see. Don't look
Nasty.
like it.
That's
Well,
how we all know if it's
Look
a
at
boy or
his chin. It
girl.
looks like an old man's chin right there.
I guess he's a man.
Oh!
What?
Look at its eyelids when it blinks.
What? Oh my God! It's a
It
gray.
like turns white.
Oh. Yeah, that's scary.
Oh.
That's like see-through eyelids right there.
Oh! 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 It's like ants digging into its butt. Oh, let's
should we
feed it
do?
an ant.
No, literally, what should we do with the bird?
I don't know. I want to get a container. Those are
Keep-
sharp claws, so I'm not even gonna bother it.
Alright,
'Cause
I'm
look,
just gonna go to the park because I'm
yeah, let's go to the park.
I got nothing I can do with that.
We need to do something to
We need
get
to
it
put
out
it
the
in a
way. safe place.
bushes. That's not a safe place. I don't think any bird will see it.
No, come on, put it like. Wait, we can't let anyone discover it.
Get a container. Yo,
Put it
you're
in
on
our
YouTube and you're telling no one to discover it. So someone who lives around here who's watching this right now can just like grab it.
Like Adrian, our missing guy.
Adrian watches this.
I guess.
Yo, stop the video. No.
Dude. Yeah, this is cool.
I feel bad. Remember those times that we kept finding, like that whole week we were finding like all these dead animals?
Yeah.
On the road or something. Like we
I
found
remember
that
we
squirrel.
were walking to school and we like found a dead bird like.
Yeah. And that same week, I was going to New York and I found a dead animal, a dead deer, just in the middle of the road, and we had to
Oh,
stop.
we saw that going to the lake last year. Its butt was all chewed up.
Oh yeah, yesterday I went to the lake and I saw also a dead deer, like
Wow.
right by the side.
That's
I'm like,
where
it's
it
not
was
even
last year.
I mean, like, it's not even winter. Why would there be deer?
It
smelled
bad though.
It smells bad.
I'll be back with the container.
I don't know. What shall we do? Shall we save the bird, or shall we just let it die?
Bruh. No, look, come here. Ready? Bro. Little girls always
The
scream.
bird's just looking at us.
Exactly. It's like, save me.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Save me.
Save me. Let's try to make the bird come to me. Well, if it just doesn't.
Let's go.
Like,
Go to my man.
ding.
Go. Go.
Come here. Come to Papa.
I'm not grabbing it from the bottom because those nails, look at those claws right there. Dang.
They're long. I don't think people are gonna be able to see well because we're in the dark, basically. Like there's like almost no
Oh,
light.
my mom's coming.
He's like, cut the video. Okay.
Mom is coming.
It's her. Hi.
It's alive?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alive.
It's alive, but it's hurt. It won't like fly.
Why? No, it's not a baby.
Yes, it is.
It's not a baby.
I don't think it is.
It's not.
Okay.
But it's hurt.
Oh yeah, guys, go away. It's yeah, come on.
Okay.
Let the baby get it. I mean, the mom get him.
There's no mom.
It probably fell out of the nest. Go inside.
Why?
Because of your behavior, Roman.
I was just trying to get the bird.
Just leave it alone. Go.
Alright, let's go to the park. After all that
That's all.
nonsense.
That after all that nonsense.
Yeah, now we're just going to have fun.
All right.
I called the first swing. I'll just say that.
I called the second. That's all I have for the video. Bye, I guess. I said bye. Why are you still here? This isn't funny anymore. I said bye.
You can click the video off.
I said bye to them. They're not leaving.
Well, guess
I'm
you'll
serious.
have to live with Christian now.
Yeah, if you guys are gonna stalk me, I'm coming to stalk you.
What the?
All right? Oh my gosh. I said bye.